Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my updated eyebrow routine. My eyebrows used to take me up to like 20 minutes, but nowadays I tint my brows. Therefore it takes me less than 5 minutes to get it done, and it's been the best thing ever. So without further ado, if you would like to see how I got these banging brows, just keep on watching. First things first, we're going to soap our brows. So you put a little bit of water on your bar of soap, take a little bit of soap and brush your brows up. So this is your first step. I'm going to brush them up, up. Because we want bushy brows. We want, you know, model brows, Vogue brows, Kardashian brows. You know, just brows that look thick and healthy. To use this brow company, it's a Tanzanian brand called Lovely Cosmetics, and the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw a line at the bottom and then we're going to draw a line at the top, and then we're going to fill it in. And that's it. So to clean them up, we are going to, because on this brow it's a little sparse here, I'm going to add a black liner, a different one, and just use it on the ends especially. Then we're going to start cleaning up our brows. So guys, it's 2020. I don't want to see brightest eyeshadows cleaning up concealers. I don't want to see brightest concealers cleaning up brows in 2020, especially the top of the brow. Please, okay, just use a color that matches you for the top, then you can use a color that's a little bit lighter for the bottom, and that's it, sis. Like, it's 2020. You cannot look like a clown in 2020, okay? We're already in a pandemic. We're in a panoramic, okay? The last thing we need is to see you out here with embarrassing brows, sis. Anyways, we're going to clean those brows up quickly because this camera is about to run out of battery again. So yes, cleaning up the brows now. See how quick that is to clean up when you don't use a concealer that is 5,000 shades lighter than you. Anyways, I'm gonna continue cleaning that up. What do I feel like? Okay, now that our brows are nicely cleaned up, as you can see, this is softer than this. So to achieve that softness, we're going to take that lighter concealer with a really thin brush, and then we are going to draw lines going up, right? And then I'm also gonna draw just a little bit in here because we also want to soften that. Then I'm going to take my spoolie and I'm going to brush these hairs up. And we're done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like to see my completed makeup look, that video will be coming out next week. I post new videos every Tuesday and Thursday if I feel like it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones, your friends, your family, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.